walls subside. And baby, as we sit here by the water's edge, I feel these walls beginning to break. The surface tension's breaking down as confessions start to flow. When the night gets deep enough to drown it, deep enough to drown, deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. Strange how clarity comes at this hour, when the world feels like it's ours. Every truth I've tried to bury deep rises up so naturally. And maybe it's the way you listen without words that makes me brave enough to share my world. The ripples of our conversation echo through this valley, deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. What if morning comes too soon? What if this all fades away? But right now, in this moment, I'm diving deep into what's real. When the night gets deep enough to drown it, deep enough to drown, deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. I close my eyes and sink beneath the surface of what I believe. Time stands still in shades of peace as waves of thought wash over me. Then searching high and running low till something made me let it go. Now truth comes rushing through my soul like water finding ways to flow. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace inside. 静かな水の中でより自分と向き合う心がき合いていく深い青み溶けてる魂が走ると魂がへつめてく自由を感じてる Breaking through the surface now, learning what this life so everything is clear somehow. Deep blue just nice. I found the strength to acquiesce. Let the current take control. This ancient wisdom fills my soul. Water dancing with the light, teaching me to feel alive. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. All inside. Midnight again, just me and the glass, in this empty room with leftover class. Each table tells me what I need to know about the lives that come and go. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave behind. Lipstick marks, business cards, half-written notes on napkin scarred. I collect these seeds in a quiet way. While others sleep, I slip away. Empty glasses speak to me. Ooh, they speak to me. Little rings of memory tell their tales to me. Every night I clean away the traces that they leave.